Okay. How's it going, everybody? I think we're good to go. Thank you for joining us in another episode for the Cat at Home series for the Caterpillar Landscape and Construction Trades Facebook page. So my name is Tye Fuerst. I am a current employee of Caterpillar. However, prior to Caterpillar, I have years of experience working for a local contractor as an estimator as well as a project manager. And so today we're going to be covering Cat Inspect. We're going to be doing so by going through some slides at first, and then we will show a quick video and a demonstration on actually how to use the app. Then after that, we'll open it up for some Q&A. Something else I want to note, though, is that throughout the process and the videos and all of that, if you have a question at any point, just feel free to comment in. If I can't get to it while we're doing the video, then somebody else on our team would be happy to do so. All right, let's get started. Okay, so here we go. The Cat Inspect app, right? So what is it? Basically, it's a Caterpillar application that you can get on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, and it works hand in hand really well with some other Caterpillar apps, such as the Cat app. However, instead of utilizing the app to be able to track machine location, machine utilization, or even fuel burn like the Cat app has to offer, the Cat Inspect app is more so geared to be able to create, execute, and record daily walkarounds and inspections. And in doing so, it's basically aiming to increase the longevity and lifespan of your fleet, as well as increase the job site safety. Okay, so it sounds really great, right? But how do we do that? So for starters, the Cat Inspect app allows you to be able to create custom checklists and inspection forms, as well as label them as red, yellow, green ratings to be able to allow for quick identification of these actionable items. You can also upload photos and videos, which is a great part about it. And all of this is done in real time, is something else to note, which is great because if you're a project manager and you have 5 or 6 projects going on, you really can't be everywhere at once. And to be able to have all of this in one platform is great because then it kind of limits the amount of texting chains and texting groups that you have to have. And plus, if someone who's not really involved in that conversation wants to check in, they can do so, such as the mechanic. They can just check the app and see how the machine is doing. And one last thing is that this is optimized for mixed fleet owners. This isn't just for Caterpillar asset owners. It's for customers that have Cat machines and non-Cat machines. So here's the bottom line. Inspections drive value, and they do so by increasing job site safety, driving accountability, decreasing repair costs, and increasing production. And I know, at least from my experience, if we're on a job site and we're having to put some 12-inch pipe in the ground, we likely have a machine, an operator, and a labor there to actually set the pipe and make sure everything has the right fall and is on the right grade. And so if a machine goes down in an unexpected failure, right there from a bidding standpoint, you have the machine that's being charged to the job, you have an operator that's being charged to the job that can't do their job, right, because the machine is down. And on top of that, you have a laborer that's just sitting there because they can't dig the hole themselves, right? So that can add, anybody that's been in that situation would know that that adds up very quickly. And so here's the thing. Here's the thing. Unsafe work environments can be costly. They can have a high cost of injury, a downtime to replace, cost to replace, and above all that, if you're a contractor known in your local area for having unsafe work environments, you're not taking care of your machines, well, that gets around. And so another cost and something, a toll that can take is on your reputation as a contractor in the area. And so when it comes to increasing production, in Cat Inspect, you can set goals and track availability and reliability through your inspection tool. And this also enables quality business operation decisions. And next up, for driving accountability, just because there's a service alert on a machine does not mean that it's going to get taken care of. And so operators might not be raising red flags about machines because, for starters, they might not be used to that machine. And so if there's a service alert that's actually causing a substantial power issue, they might not know if they don't have a lot of experience on that machine. Also, the operators might not be aware, and they might not communicate these potential issues so they can keep producing. They might think that this system alert is just something that normally happens on these machines, and it's nothing big to worry about. And that can be avoided by doing these daily walk-around inspections utilizing the Cat Inspect app. And lastly, aiming to decrease repair costs, 90% of failures are preventable through regular inspections, timely service, and wear part replacement. Failures can actually cost up to 2.5 times more, and post failures present high risk of contingent damage to other parts. And so now we're going to go ahead and get to a video which actually demoing the Cat Inspect app. Hey guys, my name is Tye Fuerst, and I'm out here in front of the D6N, just getting ready to perform a daily walk-around inspection utilizing Cat Inspect. Cat Inspect is a great tool for customers to be able to create, record, and analyze inspections on their entire fleet of machines. And just so you know, getting started with the Cat Inspect app is a very simple task to do. So to get started, go ahead and go to the Apple App Store and search Cat Inspect. And you can also find Cat Inspect on the Google Play Store. Now we're going to go over the basic navigation of the Cat Inspect app. So along the bottom, there's Fleet View, Inspections, Reports, and Favorites. So when in Fleet View, to find the machine, you can either search at the top or scroll down. Under Inspections, we have In Progress, Assigned, and Submitted. Completed inspections are found under Reports. And so now we're going to be walking through some steps for utilizing the Cat Inspect app. So starting in Fleet View, we will scroll down to select the D6N dozer. And here is where you start your daily inspection. And this is where you capture your general comments and overall condition of the machine. Here we are checking fluid levels and looking for leaks. So this is the step where we want to check the lights. So next we'll check for glass, steps, and handrails. So this is the final step in the inspection where we want to look for active alarms and fault codes. So let's start it up. For more information, please contact your dealer. Okay. And then we will open it up to any questions if anybody has any. Yeah, it's absolutely a very easy product to use. Thanks for asking that, Paul. Sorry I couldn't see you there. I had a dual view on my the PowerPoint. Yep, it's a very easy product to use, and there's also different help platforms inside the app that can help you get started and do the things that you're looking to do. Okay, so if nobody has any other questions, I'd just like to thank everyone for tuning in. Thank you to everyone that is currently a Cat Inspect user. Also want to give a shout out to the Caterpillar team that set this event up. And lastly, thank you to the Caterpillar dealer network, as well as the Caterpillar customers out there, because you guys are what makes Caterpillar what it is, and we appreciate that. So thank you, everybody. Have a great rest of your day. And remember, let's do the work.